At Sri Amaraavathi College of Arts and Science, we always strive for students' holistic development by providing value-based, skill-oriented quality education. Our vision is to evolve into a comprehensive leading university. Our partnership with Facebook Campus is perfectly aligned with our vision. Their programs focus on industry-relevant training, hands-on practice, and expert-driven guidance, through which our students not only get good placements but also to excel in their careers. We are delighted to partner with Facebook Campus, such a dynamic and proactive team. Thank you.